So guys, I just received $100 from this particular mining app, which is also an AI exchange. So stay with me till the end. I'll be telling you how exactly you can claim this, and also I'll be telling you how exactly you can mine their native coin and potentially get the airdrop. And also there are many other features which I'll be discussing in this particular video. So stay with me till the end. So guys, the platform which I'm going to talk about is Walbi. As you can see here, I'm on their official page. This is an AI exchange. I'll be providing all the links related to it in our Telegram channel and also in our description. Check on that. So now let me take into the process of getting the 100 USDT and also mining, and also I'll be explaining you the different AI features which you can use and which no other exchange is currently providing. So when you join from our link, the first and foremost you will be opening up this particular page, and here you can see use referral code. Click on that before logging in. Use the referral code, then only you'll be getting this 100 USDT referral reward. So you can see the referral code on the screen. You can also get it on the description. Paste that referral code, click on apply code, and then you can log in with your Apple ID or Google account. So once you apply the referral code and once you log in your account, this is the page you'll be landing up here. You can have the option of activate. Click on the activate account. This is the welcome gift. So how exactly you can use the bonus or the referral reward, I'll be telling you at the end. For now, I'll be telling you how you can mine their token and what are the different features available in this particular AI exchange. So first and foremost here, as you can see, so I have deposited almost $500, which is almost 1800 AED. So I have deposited my own funds, but before you deposit, let me tell you, this is completely your decision. I'm not your financial advisor, so make sure you consult your own financial advisor before utilizing or before taking up such steps. So this video is only for educational purposes. Cryptocurrency markets and other stock markets are subjected to risks. Make sure you have proper knowledge before getting into it. So now we'll be setting up our own AI agent. For that, you have to click on this particular button, as you can see here at the bottom left hand side. Once you click on that, click on the let's go option, and once you do that, you can select, I am selecting this particular AI agent, and once you select that, that particular AI agent will be giving you trading signals. I'll be pressing on start now. Once you press on start now, it will be showing me direct entries where you can take longs, and the SL will also be automatically given by the AI. You can input the dollars amount here. There is an option here on the left hand side. There is a TP and SL option, and just you can click on long and it will be opening up. The AI will be opening up directly. And also one of the important features from this particular exchange, it is giving you 500x leverage, and also there is no need of KYC. So many people are having problems in their particular country where there is no available exchange. They are not allowing the KYC to be done. So this particular exchange you can utilize over there. There is no KYC, and also they are providing a good amount of leverage. So the second option here is the option which I'm clicking up here. As you can see, once you click on here, this is similar to opening up a position. You can set up the amount, you can put the leverage, and you can open long. There is an also option for you to set with AI. It will be setting up your TP and SL according to the AI understanding knowledge which it has inbuilt. The third important features you'll be getting once you press on the plus button at the beginning. So the third important feature you'll be getting once you press the middle button here, the plus icon. Once you press on that, you'll be having the option of meme pool, and also you'll be having the option of prediction. So inside the meme pool, you'll be finding up meme coins which are in their early stage. So now comes the main part, the mining of their official token. You can get the points. So here you have the option of flash, or you can see a lightning logo. Once you click on that, here you can press on start mining, and you will be mining the points which has a potential airdrop in it. For now you are mining the points. That points will be converted into their token. Furthermore information regarding that I'll be giving you as soon as they upload it. So as you can see, I have already mined 2.9 token. For mining you need not to deposit any funds. It is for free. If you want to trade from this particular exchange, only the deposit is required. This mining will be ending every 5 hours. That means you have to come on this particular platform every 5 hours to claim the token or points which you have accumulated. And also you can invite your friends and increase your mining power so that you'll be having higher profits during the time of the airdrop. So guys, this is the complete information of the Walbi AI exchange, which is also having a mining feature in this particular application. So that's all for today's video. I'll be meeting up in the next one. Until then, take care. Goodbye.